Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your screen goes black randomly on your Windows 11. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first things first, you're going to make sure that you don't have any faulty wires or connected to your either monitor or your computer itself. If you made sure that that's all good, then first thing we can do is search for CMD, and then from here we're going to right click and then run as administrator. Then from here we're going to open it, and as you can see from here we're going to write sfc /scan now. This will scan everything that is going on with your monitor drivers, and so it will let verification. While this does in the background, let's keep it. We're going to make sure that we don't have a screensaver that is going on with the computer, because obviously if there is one that is set to blank, then it will shut down. So what we're going to do is search for screensaver. We're going to click on change screensaver. And then you're going to make sure that this is set to none and there's no minutes or anything. Now we can go and check for the control panel, because there we can have the power options that sometimes turn off the computer when we don't want it. So from here, going to make sure that it's on large icons, and then we're going to search for power options. Once you're here, we're going to set for the balance or on battery, but most importantly, we're going to click on change plan settings. And then from here, as you can see turn off the display on battery 4 minutes, plugged in 10 minutes. So what you're going to do is you're going to either disable this by setting to never or set however many minutes you would like. And that is all. Now we're going to check the CMD, and as you can see it's almost done, and once it completes the verification it says that found no Windows corrupt, and if it found anything then it successfully repaired them. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.